Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell your crypto on crypto.com. In order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com mobile app, and after that you need to tap on Accounts tab. In the accounts, you need to select Fiat Wallet, and then you need to select Sell Crypto. Then you need to select that particular cryptocurrency that you would like to convert into fiat. Then you need to select the cash option. On the Sell Cryptocurrency screen, you will enter the amount you wish to convert. If you tap on the field where you enter the amount, the app will suggest the maximum amount you can sell. You will see a confirmation window showing the actual current value of the coin in fiat money for 15 seconds. Please pay attention to that window as it shows the amount of fiat money you are getting for the coin at that time. So with the help of these instructions, you will be able to easily sell crypto on crypto.com. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.